Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you're coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1, O, and 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. 2, T, W, 2. Kids, again use red color and draw 3, T, H, R, W, 3. 4, F, O, U, R, 4. Kids, again use red color and draw 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, now 6, the numbers of 6, and use blue color. 7, S, E, V, E, and 7. Kids, again use blue color and draw 8, E, I, G, H, D, 8. 9, N, I, N, E, 9. 10, T, E, and 10. Kids, now 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids, again use black color and draw 13, the numbers of 13. 14, the numbers of 14. 15, the last numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.